What's up guys, this is Harvey from Tech Wrap, and today we're going to show you how to wrap a roof properly. So before anything, first of all you have to ensure the work environment is about 16 to 23 degrees Celsius, and number two, ensure that the floor is clean, so grab a broom and sweep away any dust particles. Now it's time to measure the roof, so grab a measure tape, measure the vinyl and cut a piece of vinyl out according to shape. But it's okay, don't be shy, leave a bit of space for wiggle room later. Okay, now it's time to prep your roof. That means cleaning it nicely. So grab your favorite car cleaning solution and a clean microfiber towel, spray onto the roof and scrub it like you are prepping for the best car show in the world. Then we're gonna use a clay bar to make sure the surface is as smooth as silk. So dry everything off with a big fluffy microfiber towel. The quicker, the better. And then use a degreaser to remove any oils or residue on the vinyl. When the car is squeaky clean, grab some slip solution and spray across the surface, wipe to make an even coat on it. Now after that, degrease the edges and only the edges. Finally, put masking tapes on 4 sides of the roof. Time for the real fun to begin. Step 3, it's time to finally wrap the roof. So ideally, it is best to have 2 people working together on this to make things a bit easier. Now, we're gonna start from the back, unless you prefer from the front. You do you, up to you. Next, before grabbing the squeegee, mist it with some slip solution to avoid any scratches on that beautiful vinyl and smoothen the process. Smooth out that first section, then keep repeating the process, inching your way towards the windshield until the whole roof is covered properly with the vinyl. Step 4, trimming the excess. Now, let's get rid of all the extra material hanging around the edges. First, use a squeegee to tuck the material into the gaps or groove on the 4 sides around the roof. Next comes the tricky part. For the front and back, cut the excess along the window. For the sides, follow the door line. After each cut, use the squeegee again to seal the edge nice and tight. So we're almost there. Give the roof a nice inspection for any wrinkles or bubbles that might be popping out. Don't forget to post heat with your heat gun. This is to ensure the edges and corners stick properly. And voila, the wrapping is done.